Hello roadies, another Food Day Friday coming at ya. I'm Lee.
Hi, Summer.
There's Summer, yep. And today we are talking about a new cake recipe that I am trying, and it is called lemon zucchini cake. And what is different about it is I made a miniature one since there's only the three of us. So I used one of those Jiffy cake mixes instead of a regular size cake mix. That way it only fits in the 8-inch square pan. And then I adjusted the ingredients. So instead of using white sugars, I used what is called Swerve, which was in the confectioner style. So it's like powdered sugar, only it's 100% erythritol instead of actual sugar, since we're trying to avoid too many sugars. And then I also used some real ingredients such as real lemon juice and that kind of thing as well. So we are just about to have our first taste of it to see how it turned out. Ready, set, take a bite. Let's see how it turned out. What do you think? Okay, let me help you. There. That was kind of a big bite, huh? Chew, chew, chew. Sorry, Summer, I didn't mean to give it so big. Chew it. Chew it. That was my fault. I didn't realize it was so big. Papa, what did you think of it? Yeah, I thought it turned out pretty great. It was really kind of strange because the only moisture that was added to the cake mix were the eggs and the zucchini. There was no other oils or waters or anything like that. So at first I was a little bit worried that the batter was going to be way too thick. But the longer I mixed it up and made sure that everything was incorporated, it turned out great. And I put it into the pan. And it took about 35 minutes of baking in my toaster oven. I don't know how a regular convection oven or conventional oven or even your RV oven would make a difference or not. So I'm going to say in the directions that I would do it for anywhere from between 20 and 30 minutes depending on your oven. So other than that, I hope you enjoy it, and it was really easy to do, and we'll see you out there. And remember to always take the scenic route. Summer, what do you say? Yeah.
Like,
Subscribe.
bye.
Goodbye.